Starting tonight, you need to become a ghost to the world. Disconnecting is no longer a luxury. It is a survival tactic. The world doesn't need to see your progress. It needs to feel your impact. Stop seeking validation from people who don't know your name. You are running a race for an audience that doesn't care if you fall. In 2026, privacy is the ultimate flex and real power. If they can't find you, they can't track you, and they can't break you. Today, we enter the 90-day ghost mode protocol. Waking up is painful, but staying asleep is a slow death. It's time to kill the person you used to be. Your friends are just distractions with a contact name. Every party you attend is a funeral for your future self. You are trading your potential for 15 minutes of small talk. The 1% are masters of their internal state, not their social circle. While the world panics and posts, the disciplined man works in silence. Real power is the ability to sit in a dark room alone. If you can't do that, you aren't free. You are a digital slave. Kill your ego before the world kills your ambition and soul. Let them wonder where you went while you build your empire. True growth happens when no one is watching or clapping for you. Every notification is a hidden leash around your tired neck. You think you are connecting, but you are being slowly drained. Silicon Valley doesn't want you to be a king. They want a consumer. Your focus is the most expensive thing you own. The ghost mode isn't about hiding. It's about reclaiming your brain. Cut the cord, delete the noise. Reset your tired and heavy soul. The version of you that wins is the version that they can't reach. Stop being a pawn in someone else's digital game of likes. Silence is the loudest message you can send to the matrix today. Empty your mind of their trash so you can fill your vision. Comfort is the slow poison that is killing your potential. The ghost mode requires you to fall in love with the struggle. When your muscles ache and your mind screams stop, you push. Pain is just information. It tells you exactly where you are weak. The 90 days ahead will be lonely, dark, and difficult. But a diamond is just a piece of coal that handled extreme pressure. Stop avoiding the fire and start becoming the flame itself. The 1% don't pray for an easy life. They pray for strength. Use your frustration and anger as fuel for transformation. Let the world think you're losing while you're secretly winning. While the world sleeps, the ghost works in the shadows of the night. The first victory of the day is won before the sun even rises. Waking up at 4 a.m. isn't about the time. It's about the discipline. It's about doing what you hate like you absolutely love it. Ghost mode means your routine is a contract signed in blood. No excuses. No, maybe tomorrow. No scrolling in the morning. The quiet hours are where champions are forged and legends born. Every productive hour in the dark is a mile ahead of the crowd. Build a body that looks like it belongs to a high-level warrior. Train your mind to be a fortress that no one can ever invade. Stop staying busy and start actually becoming productive. Ghost mode is about 4 hours of pure, uninterrupted deep work. 1 hour of intense focus is worth 10 hours of distracted labor. Identify the one thing that will actually change your life's path. Then, attack that one thing with everything you have in you. Don't check your phone. Don't look at the news. Don't drift. Your work should be so good that it speaks for itself later. The 1% build assets, while the 99% just build high-level resumes. Become so skilled that the world can no longer ignore your existence. Success is the only noise you are allowed to make after 90 days. Your body is the temple that carries your ambitious mind. If the temple is weak, the mind will eventually crumble and fall. Ghost mode means clean fuel, heavy weights, and cold water. Shock your system until it realizes that you are the master now. Look in the mirror and ask, is this the body of a winner? If the answer is no, then you have work to do starting today. Physical toughness leads directly to mental and spiritual clarity. The way you handle a heavy barbell is the way you handle life. Don't negotiate with your laziness or your weak desires. Build a version of yourself that you actually respect and fear. After 90 days, you will not come back to your old life. A person who entered the ghost mode is officially dead. You will emerge as a stranger to those who thought they knew you. They will see the results, but they will never understand the price. Keep your secrets. Keep your discipline. Keep your newfound fire. The ghost mode is not a phase. It is a permanent upgrade. The Matrix will try to pull you back in, but you are now immune. If you are ready to disappear and rebuild, type, "I am gone." This is your final warning before the screen goes completely black. The clock starts now. See you on the other side of greatness.